We've had our Gramercy Park office for about 10 years now, and we realized we had a large population of patients that were coming to Manhattan from Brooklyn, so it seemed like the right move to best service our patients to open up a location in Brooklyn. We started the process for the new office about 3 years ago. This location is near several developed Brooklyn neighborhoods, and we're directly adjacent to all the great new development that's happening in downtown Brooklyn. We love the new office. The team really likes the ease of moving through the space. The workflow is great. The bright and cheery space is a fun place to work, and we're all very happy with it. The Henry Schein design team was amazing. They helped us work up several possible floor plans for all the various sites that we looked at that enabled us to pick the very best site that best suited our needs. They worked very closely with our architect to help really create a seamless construction process and really got us off the ground quickly without any issues. It's super important in pediatrics that the operator and the assistant's attention is 100% of the time on the patient. That's all about workflow, design, ergonomics. It's super important that we don't have to leave the operating theater to go find something. So creating a space where everything is within arm's reach was critical for us, and we were able to achieve that. Henry Schein has extensive experience in dental startups. They have a vast network of support teams and professionals that really helped us meet all of our needs when starting the new office. The advice I would give a new dentist who's considering a build-up is to align yourself with the people with the most experience. After working with Schein for several years in my existing practice, I realized that they really provide a comprehensive array of services. Not just supplies, but construction, help with IT. Really, the whole process was seamless and under one roof and very efficient.